Hi guys, Math Talk series tayo sa question number 92. The quantity of negative 7 squared plus the quantity of negative 7 squared nasa loob, yung exponent, equals A 0, B positive 98, C negative 98, and D 2,401. Okay? Unang gagawin natin, let's simplify first this one. What are the given conditions kapag nasa labas yung exponent at kung nasa labas at kung nasa loob yung exponent. Okay? So from this, we all know that first na isi-simplify natin itong negative 7 squared na nasa labas yung exponent. Okay? Negative 7 squared that simplifies negative 7, negative 7. So, i-multiply lang natin yan. Negative times negative, we have positive 49. Okay? Then, let's simplify itong nasa loob yung exponent. So, kapag nasa loob yung exponent, that's negative 7 squared, palalabasin natin yung kanyang sign. Okay? And then, followed by yung multiplication, which is 7 times 7, that's 49, and then the negative sign. So, that is equal to negative 49. Okay? Then, let's try to simplify using the operation of addition of integers. Let's add them together. So the correct answer is 0 from this equation. Negative 7 squared plus yung nasa loob na 7 squared, that is negative 49. So kapag pinag-add natin, that's 49 plus negative 49, that is equal to 0. Okay? So ang sagot natin dito ay letter A po. Follow Math Talks for more videos and see you to the next episode.